Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy F15. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, you need to tap on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of this Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, use all of those categories from the top to select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. And hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Last but not least, pick one of those connection ways. To input this key, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, like that, and hit Receive button to connect. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close and add, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code, then wait as well.
Dlaczego? Dlaczego? Powiedz mi dlaczego.
As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!